Okay, there's a tree over here. I'm gonna try and zoom it in. You probably won't be able to see it, but there's like a weird shadow being cast onto it. And every time, oh, there it is. It looks kind of like a ghost. If you guys can see that. Every time I turn around, because I'm paranoid as hell, I keep seeing that because it's bright and it's the first thing I see when I turn around and look into the distance. And I'm like, oh my god, what is that? Okay, it's gonna be a lot more shaky this time because I have to hold my camera stand. I'm like sitting on this gazebo. Hey everyone, welcome back to Luna's Paranormal Adventures. Today I'm going to be talking about the strange noises that I've been hearing while I was filming at the pirate ship park. This is the cultist gazebo, as me and my friend calls it, because a few years back he saw some cultists here, or like people who looked like cultists, like they were wearing robes. It was really late at night, so we just call it the cult gazebo. This is actually the less creepy place of the two places I had planned for this. There was another location that I wanted to go to first, but when I got there, I kind of scoped the scene and it was dark. It was near the highway, so I couldn't really hear anything. I couldn't see into the bushes far enough for myself to be comfortable, and my instincts were like, Luna, get out of there. There was a story that goes with that location that I wanted to talk to you guys about, but I'm gonna have to go back there during the day, so I'm gonna be filming a daytime episode. Right now it's about, I think it's 2 a.m. or 2:30. Let me check. Okay, it is 2:30. I just realized that when I went to check the time, it stopped recording, but that's okay. We're back. So while I was filming my intro, I heard some strange noises at the pirate ship park. I immediately took out my camera and started filming, and you can hear it's like a ringing noise. You'll hear it in the video. I'm gonna be showing you guys all the clips and the update too, because I ended up going back during the day as well, just to check it out during the day. So I'll be showing you guys the update. I'm also going to be showing you guys a schedule as well, or a time frame of when everything happened, because like I started filming and then I waited until the next week to go back during the day. It was, I think, a week and a half that I ended up going back. So there's like a little bit of time in between, but I'll show you guys the schedule and everything. So here's the video about the noises. So I'm back filming at the I'm at the park that's near the river. I keep hearing like a ringing noise from like way over there. I can't see anything, but I don't know, it sounded like a ringing, but like I don't know. I just decided to start recording. I brought my car down here. I was gonna walk because it's actually quicker to walk here from my place, I think. But it's dark out, so I decided to drive. The path is kind of dark to get here, and I'm kind of happy now because this noise, like, it sounds like metal maybe. I want to think it's the 401 because the 401's right over here, like way over there. Oh, I just heard it again. But it was like quiet, it was just like a little. I'm kind of creeped out. Like, it kind of sounds like if someone was on a swing or something. I might go check it out because I don't know, I'm gonna keep filming. I'm just getting set up here to do some filming. So I'll keep this on while I'm doing that. It would be cool to get some cool footage, but at the same time I hope sounds like a metal, like scraping against something. It's about 4:30 a.m. right now. I'm trying to think of what's over there, because I know it just looks dark to you guys, but there's like houses over there. There's like a little bit of a field, like a football field kind of thing. I know that there's a path like over here-ish. There's like a little forest, but it's really, really tiny. There's the river. I'm gonna turn around the other way. Yeah, there's the river. There's like smoke over top of the water. Well, it's not, it's just fog because the water's warmer than the water, or the water's warmer than the air, I mean. Okay, I'm gonna keep getting set up here. Oh my god. Like, what the f is that? There's nobody else here. This is a common park that a lot of people go to, but there's no other cars here, so if there are people, they would have had to walk. I might go over and investigate, but at the same time, my senses are telling me that, like, oh my god, I might actually pack up and leave. I'm getting a bit too scared now. I'm just gonna put my phone on the table. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm getting way too creeped out. I think I might save filming for a different day. I have no idea what that is. I don't want to piss anything off if there is anything here. I might actually go over and investigate. I'm just gonna put my stuff in the car first because I don't want to be running around with my stuff in my hands. It sucks. I have to go back over there to get to my car. Like, my car is in between the noise I'm hearing and where I am right now. I don't know what it could be. It could just be a person, but like, here's my car. It's really dark now. I might turn on, yeah, I don't think I can have like a flashlight, so. Oh my god. Did you guys hear that? Oh my god. I'm getting in my car. Okay, I'm safe in my car. I'm secure. The package is secure. I'm safe. But like, I'm totally gonna roll down my window because I want more of that audio. I don't know what it is. I know it's really dark. I'm trying to get like some light. I'm just looking outside now. I'm trying to see what it could be. I'm so scared right now, guys. I want to say it's like wind, but there's like some poles over there, like the ones that swing to open or close, like a gate kind of thing, like it'll create a gate. But I'm not seeing them moving from the wind or anything. This kind of sucks because I really wanted to film, but I don't feel safe here right now. There's a forest over there, like some trees. So if there's something in there, I just don't want to mess around with that too much. There's some traffic over there, so if you hear any deep noises, would be the traffic over there. I don't see anything over there. Like, there's no indication of it being any sort of person. I might try driving down a little bit deeper down there because I'm about halfway down the drive. Yeah, I don't see anything. I'm not hearing anything else now. Kinda sucks because I wanted to finish filming my intro, but I'm not feeling very welcome here right now. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video for now. I'm gonna drive down and see what happens. I don't know, like, so you guys can see there's some trees, but there's no people. This is what I thought it would be. Like, there's this little gate here. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. I don't even know what it could be. There's like a pirate ship park over here on like a splash pad, but it's not lit up at all. So I don't think it could have been like somebody opening the fence or anything. I'm just gonna roll up my window. I'm not hearing any more noises. But there's like a skate park. I'm not seeing anybody at the skate park. I really don't know what that noise could have been. Oh, there's a dog. So cute. Yeah, I don't know. I want to come back here during the day just to investigate in the light because I don't feel safe going out there. If I wasn't alone, I'd probably go out there. Like, if I had a friend with me, I'd probably take them out there, but since I'm alone, I don't want to get spirited away, guys. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird because I was here last night. It was about the same time and everything was fine. I started to get light out and it was fine, but I don't know, tonight I'm definitely gonna go back and investigate. I have no idea. I'm like freaking out now. That kind of sucks because I thought that was gonna be like a cool place to like film and stuff, just because it's got some history. There was a boy who died in the river. I don't think it's haunted though. Like, I've never heard anything about it being haunted, but I haven't really looked into it too much either. But no one talks about it being haunted. Like, people know about it, but they don't talk about it being haunted, kind of thing. I don't know. I don't think it was a ghost, but it was something I can't explain at the moment. So yeah, I'll go back and. Whoop! I just hit a pothole. There's lots of those where I live. But yeah, I'll go back tomorrow when it's not 4 in the morning, almost 5 in the morning, when it's more safe. I'll go back with a friend and check it out and see what could be making that noise. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back here today. It's been about a week. I wanted to show you guys, these are the gate things I was talking about, and it's like, I thought this could have been making the noise, like in the wind, but I'm going to try moving it here. Like, it doesn't, if it does, it's not squeaking, like it moves a bit, but it's not making the same noise. So I already checked that out previously. I came here in the evening, but it was too dark to film. I just wanted to check it out with somebody. Like, I had my friend with me. Oh no, someone left some plastic. I'm gonna pick that up. I don't know, maybe it was this. I don't know what this is. that is, but I don't think, like, this is pretty stable. That's not making any noises that it would be. Oh, I see. Okay, so that metal thing that I saw was the garbage can hook thingy, whatever this is. But I don't think that's what was making the noises. So this is the area that I heard the noises coming from. It was like in this little, you can see there's trees, but it's not a big forest. Like right over here is a soccer field, like if you go up the hill over there. So I wanted to check out this because it says do not enter, and being the kind of person I am, I very much want to enter. I don't know what it is, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know why it says don't enter. I don't know why this concrete is even here to begin with. I've never seen this before. I don't know who made it. I don't know what's it, like why there's fencing around it, because there's nothing in there. There's just nothing in there. I don't know. There's this trash over here that looks metal. Okay, it jiggles, but it's not. There's garbage everywhere. It jiggles, but it's not making the noise that I was hearing. Oh, what a beautiful day though. Look at the sun's just setting. So pretty. Oh, there's two squirrels over there chasing each other. I don't know if you guys can see that. Adorable. I might try go walking up near the soccer field, because I was kind of wondering if maybe the ringing I was hearing was like a goalpost, like blowing in the wind or something. I'm gonna go give that a little push to see if it makes the same noise. Oh, look how beautiful it is out. The leaves are changing really, really fast these days. I find they're going right to yellow. So pretty. I love the autumn. It's getting chilly out too, but it's nice. It's like nice sweater weather. Oh, so pretty. Look at the sky. It looks like cotton candy. Ah. Okay, I'll meet you guys back up near the goalpost. Oh, look at the moon. I'm just gonna zoom in on that. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, so here's one of the goalposts. Just gonna jiggling it doesn't do anything, like obviously when I, but it's not loud. That's not the ringing I heard. Here's the soccer field. Oh, a pretty moon. I love you, moon. Yeah, so as you can see, beyond the field, it's all residential. There's houses, 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 houses. And then over here's another kind of, like another soccer field. It's just a field. There's a few trees you can see, but, and then here's the path that leads down to the park I was just at. We're gonna go down here to go back to the car. There's the path. And over here, in this is where I just was. You can see the concrete and the fence. That's where I was when I heard the ringing. This is the area that I heard the metallic ringing from. I don't know, there's like a little bit more denser forest. You can see past, just down. Squirrel just hopping around. I might go back and check out the more denser woods. but I don't think the ringing was coming from in there. I didn't hear it coming from in there. I heard it from coming in this kind of area. There's also like a park that has a fence surrounded. I'm gonna go check the I don't know, I might check the fences there and the gates, because I don't know though, I heard it coming from in here. I don't know if it's been concluded or not. I think I'm gonna keep this as an open case for now, because I have heard the ringing when I walk around my neighborhood at night, because my neighborhood is just right up this path. Yeah, so I think this is gonna be an ongoing case for now. I'm gonna keep an eye out. Okay, so as you guys could see, I couldn't figure out what the ringing was. I couldn't find the source of the ringing, which is what I'm gonna be calling it. It's gonna be the ringing, similar to the happening, but like the ringing. It's the ringing. So I don't know, I haven't heard it since. Like, there was a few times where I went outside, like I took a walk around the block at night and I'd hear it like really faintly. Those were closer to the time that I heard it the first time, so I haven't heard it really since it's been, I think, 2 weeks. I think it's been 2 weeks. I hope you guys liked this video. Stay tuned for more ringing if it happens again. I don't know. I might go back and look into it again, because there's a foresty part that I didn't really go into, but I don't know what would be in the forest, and I also kind of don't want to know. For now, the ringing case, the case of the rings, is gonna be an open case, because I have no idea what could have made it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you all next week. The ringing. Ooh, spider web. Kind of want to climb it, but it looks tiny. It's for like toddlers. I was climbing one the other day that was way bigger, because I am the spider queen. So pretty. Nice.